Hi there, this is Kristie Childs, and I'm an affiliate for this product, which means I'll be compensated if you buy through my link at no additional cost to you. But I'll also offer you a bonus from my own teachable site called 175 Printable Ideas to Start Your Pretty Printable Side Hustle. So, with that being said, you won't find very many artists who will allow you to resell their templates, but Yadsia is one of them. She has a brand new course. It's a crash course on how to sell Canva templates. So if we go into Etsy, I'm going to show you something. It's very expensive to hire someone to create templates for you, or you have to be a designer yourself and create your own templates. So if I go in and put Canva template, I want to show you that there is a market. There's 32,580 results. And Yassi's going to show you how to sell these. She sells them all over the internet, not just in Etsy. So as you can see, people sell ebook and workbook templates. They sell Canva course workbooks, boho Instagram post templates, the ultimate Airbnb host bundle, Pinterest pin templates, boho Instagram, um, branding and mood board template, course creator template, 50 engagement post templates, rose gold Canva Pinterest templates. So, I mean, there's all kinds of templates that you can create. Look at this eye catching blogger pin pack, editable Pinterest templates, Canva templates. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. So she is going to show you. Yatsia is actually retired. Her husband, um, he may be working, but I do know that she has made a full time income. She was a teacher. We're both former teachers, and now we're both teaching online. And Yasia has awesome design skills. And as I said, I'm an affiliate for this product. No additional cost to you if you buy through my link. I'll be compensated. You also get my special bonus of 175 printable ideas to start your pretty printables side hustle. So if you decide to get this, why not get an extra bonus from me of printable ideas that Pinterest says are searched for millions of times each month? And what I really like about Yatsia is that she is a great teacher because she is, like I said, she's a former teacher and she went full time online. And I believe she said that she's made six figures. And this is no earning. Guarantee. Everybody makes different figures. This is her own personal way that she does it. It's like her own personal case study of how she sells Canva templates. She says, have you always wanted to sell your own Canva templates, but you weren't sure how? This is a crash course for you. Learn how to design and sell Canva templates from research to creation to how to actually share the links. And that's important because if you create something but no one sees it and you don't know where to sell it, then you're stuck. So she's taking you from creation to selling, the selling process. And she says, is it only Canva templates? No, learn how to export these as a PowerPoint, Google Slides, and SVG from Canva and how to sell them, which is so important. You'll learn how to sell different types of files and how to share them correctly with your buyers. And here's the best part. You can use any of the templates already included to create your own. You do not need to start from scratch. You can use them as is, but she suggests so you stand out in the marketplace. She's going to show you how to make them unique, how to brand them, how to make put little cute elements that you can buy. And she's going to show you all of that. First of all, her mission is to help you create a planner journal digital download to sell in your shop. And you can do that on Etsy. You can do it on a blog. You do it on a Shopify store. You do it at Teachers Pay Teachers and other sites. Number one, you'll get a full set of planner templates done for you. It's not a kit of pieces you need to spend time putting together. She's done all the work for you. You'll learn how to customize them to match your vision. And she has video tutorials to show you how to create a planner that matches your brand and sell to your own customers. So if you've been wondering and thinking, I wish I knew how to sell Canva templates, this is the crash course for you. reading straight from Yatsia's page. Learn how to research, plan, design, and share the templates as actual templates that your customers can edit and make for personal use, commercial use, however they decide to sell it. Video tutorials to guide you every step of the way, how to research the products, how to plan the products, how to design your products, how to design in Canva, how to share the templates, and how to deliver the templates. And this price is subject to change, but right now is the best time to get 20 already designed templates, commercial license included, video tutorials included. You can sell the templates included. You will need Canva Pro. You can create your own templates to sell from this. And she says 24 hours only. So I'm not sure when you're seeing this. The price is subject to change, but right now this is what it includes: 110 plus templates, 6 daily layouts, 9 weekly layouts, 1 weekly view, 1 family schedule, 1 weekly productivity page. I got to get a sip of tea here. 1 daily to-do list, 4 sticker sheets, 1 expense tracker, 1 budget planner, 5 meal planning pages, 6 monthly layouts, 2 project planner pages, 2 habit trackers, 5 goal tracking pages, 1 monthly view, and a partridge in a pear tree. I'm just adding that last one. But here are some frequently asked questions. How does the commercial license work? This product is different from my others. The templates included in this course are available to use and sell. So for this course only, you can actually resell the templates themselves. Yes, the templates included can be sold as templates. I recommend changing a few things here and there so they're not exactly the same. Be creative. Can I sell the templates? Yes. The templates already included in this course and the templates you create in Canva from the knowledge gained from this course can be sold as actual Canva templates. That's the whole point of the course. Is this good for beginners? Yes, templates are one of the easiest things to sell. They don't involve a lot of prep work, and you just need to share a link, a Canva link, with your customer to get access to the templates you created. Don't worry. I go over everything Yadsia is saying, no need to know that you will need to know in this course. You can resize the pages. Canva already has templates. Canva templates cannot be sold as is. You have to create your own. And that is what she has done here. She has created templates that you can use. So you don't have to create your own. But these are designed in Canva. You will get an import link that will save the template to your Canva account. And then you go in and you edit the template. It'll be shared with you on the left-hand side of the tab. And then you'll also get access to her members area, Yatsia's members area, where all of her video trainings are located. And this is Yadsia. Be sure that you get this through my link if you would like to also get included in your receipt. You will see you also get 175 printable ideas to start your pretty printable side hustle from me. And I'm Kristie, and I love promoting other people's courses as an affiliate, and I have my own courses as well. So I hope that helps. Again, this is a rare opportunity to actually, allow to go in and get templates done for you. It's very rare to see this. I highly recommend it. Yasi is an awesome teacher. And again, this is Kristie. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Please like and subscribe to my channel because it helps keep me going. I will talk to you soon. Thank you again for stopping by. Bye now.